Good, beautiful morning from Hong Kong. We are walking towards the shuttle. It's like 8 a.m. It's bright and early day. We're not going to Disney today. We're going to the city today. It's like our only full day in Hong Kong because tomorrow we fly to Shanghai. We have to take the shuttle back to the Disneyland, back to Disneyland because there's a train station there. And then we'll take the train into the city. So, yep, that's where we're going. This is what I'm wearing today. Super cute. It's still very wet and humid, so that's annoying, but it's okay. Anyway, I'll update you guys when we get somewhere exciting. I sprayed so much anti-frizz spray on my bangs. Hopefully, it doesn't look like it's working. It looks like it's already this one's not even curled anymore. Wow. Also, my hair's in a bun because I couldn't be bothered to even try to curl it again because yesterday it didn't last at all. So, yeah. My makeup did last pretty good though. It's that Patrick, one size, Patrick Star spray. Look at this train station. Isn't it so pretty? It's really nice. Up those stairs is where Disneyland is. But oh, here it comes. Oh my God, so cute. It's like the one in Japan. The windows, the handrails. I wish all the monorails were kind of like this, but I know it's not possible. We got Tinkerbell behind me, and then Mickey's across from me right there. We're at Bakehouse getting some coffee and some pastries. Look at how good it looks. So delicious. We made it to the coffee shop, but look at my curls. They're gone. We got a little lost. We had a little detour, but that's okay. What else? We also, in the train station, stopped at 7-Eleven, got some water, got some strawberry sandwiches, and some, what are those called? They're like these triangle Asian foods, and they have like meat in them with rice. I forget what they're called. They were really good. But yeah, now we're just here. We're gonna walk around. It's pretty busy, but it's all right. I found the cutest drugstore. There's all this beauty stuff. I love stores like this. I'm getting some things. We just left that little store. I realized this earlier, but Hong Kong is expensive. Everything is still so much money. Anyway, we are walking through the city again. There's another tea shop. Ooh, maybe we should get boba. Matcha. We found the Brandy Melville. It's so big. It opens in a few minutes. There's already girls waiting outside of it, but look! That's it right there. That's crazy! We came to McDonald's. We must try McDonald's in every country we go.
Eden?
Yeah, Eden. Here's what I got. I ordered these crispy thighs. We're gonna try them. Husband got McNuggets. We got our fries, and we got these little seasoning packets so we can add it to the fries. I don't know. And do a taste test. It looks good. We just left Sogo. It was like a Japanese mall. It was cool, but I don't know. I didn't really understand the concept. Anyway, now we're just walking towards Fashion Walk. We're still in this little area. It's so hot, you guys. Oh my God. It's so hot. The Body Shop. I haven't seen that store in a long time. Look. I really want to try and find some treats for my cats. So maybe we can go to Don Don Donkey, I think, is where we have to go. We gotta find one. We're in Don Don Donkey now. I ended up getting something from Charles and Keith. I'll include it in my haul. Oh, here we go. We found it. Oh, I don't see churros. Churros? We found the Sephora, guys. There's a lot of shopping malls here. Oh, it's just like a counter. Look. They sell Pixie here. I've been wanting to try these makeup brushes forever. I can't believe they have them here. They're kind of expensive though. Like almost $50. I'll just wait. I think they're coming to the Sephora in the US. I haven't updated in a while, but we are walking towards the Victoria Peak now. It's so nice here. There's so many like tall buildings. But yeah, we've just been walking in and out of stores mostly, trying to get some air conditioning breaks because it's so hot and humid, even though it doesn't appear like it is. I will update when we get to the tram because it's about a 7-minute walk. We made it to the tram. We're walking up right now. That was a trek, let me tell you. I'm guessing it comes from over there. Oh, here it comes. Okay, we made it. It's a little foggy now, but here it is. Here's another viewpoint. It got more foggy too. Here is the other side. You can barely see.
Somebody's house right there, look. They're in there.
Oh yeah. What a crazy house to have. Yeah, there's people in there. They're having like guests over or something like that. So people are walking through. There's a little restaurant down there. There's no one down there, but it looks really cute. But there's a lot of little shops in this tower. Made it to this little outside area. Oh, it's so nice here. We're gonna try Messina. Apparently they have really good desserts. It's Italian ice cream. I think it's gelato. I got tiramisu. My husband got Nikki's glasses, which has like
Double espresso.
yeah, it's like a coffee. It's like coffee ice cream. But we're still up here. We're gonna enjoy this ice cream. So good. We made it to our last and final stop. We're having dinner at this place called Tim Ho Wan. It's like dim sum. We had to have dim sum in Hong Kong, obviously. Apparently it's really good, so we'll see what happens. Here's some of the food we got. These are shrimp dumplings, pork and shrimp dumplings. I forgot what those are, but it looks really good. They're gonna be hot. Let's try it. Really good.